Discover Smart Toll Europe from OMV. The toll solution of the future, available today. Currently you need any number of onboard units for the many different toll systems in Europe. For drivers and fleet managers, it's both time-consuming and expensive. But now, with OMV Smart Toll Europe and your OMV Card, there's one simple toll solution for all of Europe. Because the OMV Smart Toll Unit with EETS technology replaces all those other toll units in one smart solution. Thanks to state-of-the-art made in Austria technology, you get an Austrian quality product with total reliability. Software updates and country upgrades are done automatically using over-the-air updates, so your Smart Toll unit is always up to date. From the Black Sea to the Atlantic, OMV Smart Toll Europe is simply the best answer if you need an all-in-one toll solution. And new countries can be easily added to a single unit that works in every country. Enjoy the benefits of having a user-friendly online admin interface and a transparent overview of all your tolls. And of course, you still benefit from the comprehensive all-round services you get with your OMV Card. Experience a new, more efficient world of toll collection for all of Europe with OMV Smart Toll Europe. Order now at omv.com.